Okay, here's my Peekaboo Hippo card. He's taking a little bath and he's enjoying the water, and boop, out he comes. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna show you how to make this. So let's start with a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of balmy blue cardstock. And I'm gonna grab a scrap piece of paper. And I have made a template from the basic borders dies, and I just cut it out of a piece of and I'm going to use white for the clouds, so I'm just going to rub off a little bit over here and then just super gently, super lightly go over that. Yeah, I think I got too much, but it's okay. We'll even it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna adjust this and I'm gonna move it over here so it looks a bit different this time. And I'm gonna try to go really soft. I think I have too much white. Okay, hopefully that looks okay. All right, and then again, I'm gonna move it to the middle this time. So just try to be very soft. Okay, so you're gonna just keep going down, shifting it as you want. Okay, probably one more. Okay, super duper cute. And then I'm just going to just add a little bit of white on the bottom. It's not quite so blue. Okay, so that's the white ink. Now I'm gonna, I cut this mountain hill out of the gingerbread house dies. So I'm just going to attach this to the top. And I used the Hues of Happiness designer series paper. And I cut it a little bit long just so that I could trim it perfectly where it needed to be trimmed. And now we are ready to cut a little slit. So I've already cut the wash basin. So this is my card base and my clouds and my little pole that's gonna go behind. And I have my wash basin and I have my hippo. And I've got his scuba gear. So I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue, just like to the middle areas. And then some here. Super cute. The Hippo dies have a ton of extra dies that you can just do fun things with. Umbrellas, flowers, hearts, all kinds of things. Glasses that you can turn into sunglasses. But I'm just gonna put this little mask on him. And then this little piece here, I colored him with Petal Pink and Smoky Slate. So there he is, ready to go. And then our clouds will all be on dimensionals, so there they are, ready to go. And our wash basin is gonna cover a little hole that we're gonna make right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the wash basin where I want it. And then I'm gonna make just a little mark here and a little mark there, just very, very slight, okay? So now you wanna use your Stampin' trimmer, the cutting blade. And if I remember correctly, I think we put it in at 1 7/8. That looks too low for this one. So this one we'll do it at 2. Okay, and it looks like we go from about 2 to 3.5. So we'll go 2, I'll go to 3/8. Okay, okay, so I'll go a tiny bit more. Almost to 3.5. Okay, so now I'm gonna just scoot it 1/8. Let's do 1/8. And then I'm gonna do the same cut. So I'm gonna do like 3 3/8 over to 2. Okay, and I have now cut a little slit for the hippo to pop through. So I'm just gonna finish it by cutting on both sides. And it looks like I need to cut a little bit further on this side, tiny bit. Okay. So there's our little slit for our hippo. And so our hippo is just going to slide right into here. And we're gonna carefully erase these marks here. A little bit harder on the clouds, but I think it'll work. Okay, that looks good. Just need a little bit down there. Okay, so now our wash basin is just barely gonna go over that little slit right there. So we are gonna add just some dimensionals to the bottom. So I'm just gonna trim off a couple of, maybe just that. No. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Okay, so just the bottom. And then I might put some on the sides as long as they don't hinder the movement of the hippo. So just in the middle on the sides, just little mini dimensionals. So put it right about there. Okay, so cute. And then on the back side, you can see he's hiding back here. So let's see, can he, yeah, he can fit through. Okay, so now I'm just going to raise him up a little. Actually, no, I'm gonna lower him down to where he's hiding. You know, just a little bit so that we can see something's there, okay? And then I can measure this better. So I'm gonna put this one about here, and I'm wondering if I should punch the end. Let's try the lovely labels. This is pretty thin, so let's see what we're gonna get if we do a little trim. So we can either have that. I think that looks pretty good. Or we can have that. No, I like that one. Okay, so I used this one right here with the flat top of the lovely labels. Okay, and so Now I can put it like this, and actually I need to trim, I'll trim the other end so I don't have to punch it again. Because I just want it to, yeah, be barely showing, so that you see there's something there to pull. Okay, and we're just gonna put, whoops, we're gonna put this on the very bottom of the hippo. I almost had it, but right there's better. Okay, and we want that to cover that, there we go. All right, so this is our little pull for the hippo. And then we'll just pull the hippo up, and there's a hippo in there. It's so fun. Okay, so we're gonna bring hippo back down, and we're gonna add some foam adhesive strips. So these babies are awesome. Let's see, where should I start? I'm gonna start at the bottom, like right about here. And then I'm gonna add 2 to create like a little track for this, so it doesn't go sideways or scolumpus. So just on both sides, and that'll just help. Okay, and then I can use the rest of this on this side. Do some on the other side as well. Foam strips just make it so easy to make all these fun interactive cards. Okay, and then we can add some this way. And we can add some this way. And we'll just save the rest on our little foam sheet. That's good, that's good. Okay, so now we can remove all of the little backings. I'm just gonna press these on, make sure they're all secured. Oh dear, okay. A little bit of dust. So you could kind of do something like this with the umbrella and make the hippo fly. Can hippos fly? Well, if elephants can, I think hippos can too. Okay, super, super fun. All right, we've got some clouds to still add, but I want to test them out. Oh, there we go. Hello. I'm hiding. Oh, he can hide really far. Don't want him to hide too far. How fun. So I hope you guys make one of these and you have fun doing it, and post it on my Facebook page so I can check it out and see. You can tell me on a scale of 1 to 10 how much fun it was to make this card. How about that? All right, so this is my, I guess, surprise or bathing hippo card. I haven't figured out what to call it yet. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh, so much fun.